This is a video on how to clean the print heads on your HP Latex 630W. You're going to come over to your screen here, you're going to click this tab, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on Tools, you're going to click on Troubleshooting, you're going to click on Print Head Cleaning, and then you're going to click on Print Head Cleaning, and you're going to hit Start. The printer will automatically just start going through your nozzles and cleaning everything out before you get back into your production mode of printing. It does typically take about 6 minutes or so for it to complete and go through its entire cycle, but this is how you would actually clean your print heads on the new HP Latex 630W. Drop a comment below if you want to know what other things you can do to the machine that you are having issues with or you want to learn more about.